Warning. There is something that escaped Playtime Co. We don't know what it is yet. But if you ever see it, stay away from it. Otherwise, it will kill you. We don't know its origin. But we know it's big, and it's pink. And if you see this monster, please stay in your home. If you do see the monster, though, get as far away from it as possible. It'll act childish. And if you go too close to it, it'll kill you. Alright? We're on the same page here? Okay. Now, this is a really, really, really dangerous thing. I'm not sure what we called it, but as we know here, this emergency is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Yes, though, I repeat, something escaped from Playtime Co. And if you see it, stay away from it. If it chases you down, try to chase it back to where it escaped so they can recapture it. Good luck. Hope you have a great day. Beep! 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 Breaking news! Emergency alert system. We've heard of the new Mommy Longlegs virus. Yes, we now remember that name. That's it for your alert system. Good luck. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. We got more information on the EAS. Now, remember to lock your doors. Because if you don't lock your doors, you're dead. And remember, if you find anyone infected, toss them out of your house. Or if you find them outside, stay away from them. Let them do their thing, because we have found no cure so far. Anyway, Romero, what is that on your broadcast? Advertisement. Play that new Doom game. Shut up, Romero. Anyway, back to your civil danger warning. This creature and virus is a danger to society. And make sure to keep all your doors locked and... Oh no. Ah! Ah! Beep, 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 beep. POV, your mommy long legs, and you just killed the conductor who is stating out the emergency alert system. Military, do not fail your mission. POV, you're a military leader, and you're serving the military. Military people, do not fail your mission. I repeat, do not fail, or else you will die because of the big pink spider. Yes, boss. POV, your mommy long legs. Ha! I'm gonna murder you all, stupid military. Military says, oof! Bam! Boo, boo. Music playing in the background. Boo, boo. Ha! Anyway, that was the emergency alert system Playtime, Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. EAS extended Sorry, your Windows system has crashed. Please restart your PC or else you'll have to use a monitor and buy a new crappy motherboard, old stock. Beep. Alright, now we're getting to the danger zone. Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 EAS Super Extended. Oh yeah, I'm recording this at 11 p.m. So don't throw an EAS in my face, okay? US, please don't do that. Oh wait, my PC is offline. Okay, anyways. So enough of that. Back to the story. Mommy Longlegs picks up and kills all the military. Everyone is asked to stay in their homes. Otherwise, Big Spider will come and murder them. Stop the cap. Ah! Anyways. We got a new EAS person, by the way. The old one died. And we don't know what killed him. But anyways, that's enough of Romero's broadcasting. Good luck for now. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, make sure to keep your doors locked and your windows locked and everything in your house locked. Oh yeah, also keep the doors and windows closed as well. Otherwise, it might just come in and kill you. Beep, 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 beep. Also, shout out for all my best buddies on Xbox, which would be Villager and Mage Stinger and all those other kind people. I miss them. Anyways, that's it for this video. It's super extended. I was going to make it extended, but it's super extended instead. It reminds me of his turn card will be coming uncanny. And anyways, that's it for now. See you later. Bang, 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 bang. Beep, 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 bam, 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 bam. Bam! The Random Things Maker. Villager News. Don't worry. The infected are here to help you. Please don't worry. Exit out of your house. Get bitten by the spider. Because they don't own this world. Environmental problems. And plus, no more Playtime Co. if humanity dies. And humanity will keep fighting back. The EAS has been taken over by something new. We don't know where new people went, but something bad's happening. Oh no. The entire state of I don't remember is infected with the virus. We'll try to contain it with the military to make sure that it doesn't spread anywhere else. Please, don't kill me. Please don't kill me, a big thing. Is infected with the and also make sure not to listen to any of the voices that might play in your head. The symptoms of an infected person are fever, long legs, unusual behavior, and the sudden urge to bite. Oh yeah, and also the large met in size. I forgot about that one. No. We'll try to have the military contain this virus. Most of America is infected. Same of Canada. Almost the entire world is infected. Except for those colder climates. So we moved there. We moved all the uninfected people and the unilled people there. Because the virus will die there. But pretty much the rest of the world is just zombies. Please, no, don't murder me. That's what you get. Oh, Doom Guy. What are you doing here? I thought you died. No, Doom Guy never dies. Doom Guy? Doom Guy? Doom Guy? No! This is the end of the emergency alert system. I don't think I'm going to be around much longer. I'm not going to be around much longer, I can assume. There's one of them is... And the guy who kills demons and stuff for us is dead. I don't even know how his death happened. It seems like the virus is mutated to survive cold. If there's any other habitable planets, we'll try to acquire and get to them. For now, end the broadcast. End it. Beep, beep, beep. The end. Another part coming soon, possibly. I don't know. But for now, the end. Beep. Beep. If you can hear these 3 ringtones, that means you need to click off the video now. Beep, beep, beep. Same thing as before. Beep, beep, beep. There's nothing else to see here. Other than crappy little pieces of garbage. Okay, fine. I'll explain more about the Mommy Longlegs virus. Jesus Christ. I know you want to know more about it. And you probably want to know what this creature is too, right? We'll describe what she looks like before we end this. Possibly only one video on it, because this is going to be the hyper extended version. We'll just explain what Mommy Longlegs is and what she's going to look like. First of all, she's big, she's pink, and her origins were that a girl fell in a toxic pool of chemicals. The girl has been missing ever since 1989. And shortly after her going missing, they posted this new toy on the ads. Mommy Longlegs. We'll take a look at Playtime Co. Whenever we rebuild humanity. Good luck for now. No, I'm the last person on Earth. No. Blah, blah, blah. The world turned into Mommy Longlegs incident. The end. Beep. Oof.